If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. If a customer wants a return or refund in the form of a check, cash, or credit card, you can create a refund receipt in QuickBooks Online instead of a credit memo. Unlike a credit memo, which is applied to a customer's open balance or to future invoices, the refund receipt is used to give the customer cash, a check, or a credit card refund instead of a credit to their open balance or a credit to future invoices. To create a refund receipt in QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button in the navigation bar. Then click the Refund Receipt link under the Customer's heading in the menu that appears to open the Refund Receipt window. You use this form like you use the invoice form. First, select a customer from the Customer dropdown. Their email appears in the email field to the right if one was entered. To add CC or BCC emails if needed, click the CC/BCC link by the email field, enter the addresses into the menu that appears, and then click the Done button in the menu. Select the refund receipt's date from the Refund Receipt Date field. The refund receipt's number appears in the refund receipt number field, and you can change it if you enabled custom transaction numbers in your company file settings. If classes are assigned per transaction or locations are enabled, then you can use the class and location drop-downs at the right side of this form to select your desired choices. To add a tag to this transaction, click into the Tags field and then select a tag from the menu of tag choices. Repeat as needed to apply tags from any relevant tag groups you have created. Alternatively, to add a new tag, type the tag's name, select it from the Add choice in the drop-down menu, and follow the on-screen prompts to add it to a new tag group for reporting purposes. Then select the payment method to use to process the refund from the Payment Method drop-down. Then select the account from which to withdraw the funds for the refund from the Refund From drop-down. You must select an account from which to process the refund even if returning cash to the customer. If accepting payments through QuickBooks, you can click the Refund Payment in QuickBooks link to process the refund through QuickBooks Payments. If processing a refund by check, a check number field appears after selecting an account from which to process the refund. To print the check later, check the Print Later checkbox below this field. Otherwise, enter the check number to assign to the refund into the Check Number field. To print a check, if you issue a refund by check, click the Print Check link that appears when you click the Print or Preview button in the toolbar at the bottom of the page. Next, select the products or services being refunded from the Product Service Columns drop-down, or create a new refund product or service if needed by selecting the Add New choice in the Product Service Columns drop-down menu. After making your selections in the Product Service column, ensure the refund amount is correct. If processing the refund by check, click the Print or Preview button and then click the Print Check link to save the refund receipt and print the check. Processing by credit card refunds the transaction amount to the customer's credit card, either immediately or during your batch processing, depending on how you have your credit card system set up. If returning the refund using cash or after completing the other options, click or select a saving choice from the Save and Send drop-down button in the toolbar. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.